Okay, Behringer, here's my configuration. It's pretty simple. Here's the power that came with the mixer. The sound goes out at the speakers, to the main speakers. Let me go to the front here. This is my controller. From the controller goes here to the mixer. And the microphone goes to the microphone channel. That's pretty much it. I get a white noise out of the mixer, really bad. And I noticed that if I turn down the effects volume, it will stop.